Hi, how are you guys doing? I'm here today to talk about this new brand. It's called the Inkey list. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I'm pretty sure I've reviewed products from them. They're at Sephora. They're a really popular brand. And this product, which is a glycolic acid exfoliating scalp scrub, it has removed product buildup and leaves hair looking healthy. So I like to put oils in my hair, and sometimes not everything comes off the scalp after a few washes. I like to go in with this after my first wash and put this the next wash, before the next wash, to make sure all of the buildup is removed and my scalp is feeling healthy. It also helps people with itchy and dandruffy scalps that doesn't have a good skin under or on their scalp. This will help relieve any of the pain, the dryness, and I take a lot of care of my hair and scalp just because I have issues with my hair fall. So I like to try new products, and this is a product I feel that brings me relief and calm and removes the buildup it requires. It's not too expensive. I believe it's $14.99, so it's very affordable. Everything from this brand is affordable. And I just I remove the nozzle like this. It's like a twist. You turn it off and you close it, and you get a good amount. I believe there is about 6.9 ounces in here, or more than 5 ounces in this bottle, and it lasts, I'd say, if you use it religiously, it will last 3 to 6 months. But you won't need to use it more than, once or twice a week, if that. Only when you're putting heavy oils in the hair, a lot of product, and you want to make sure there is no residue left in the scalp. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning about new products and what they do for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do end up purchasing this product, make sure to leave comments about either it helped you or it didn't, and we'll keep that in mind when promoting new products, so we only give you our best. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.